Did you know that you can actually talk to Chatgpt? Most people think you have to type in prompts to use it, but in this video I'm going to show you how to talk to it in a way that not only do you get much better results, but also it means you don't have to worry about the quality of the prompts in the first place. If you're new to this stuff, it's a complete game changer because it can change the way you work, you create, you solve problems in all areas of your life. Stick around because by the end of the video, you're going to discover how to use Chatgpt in ways you've never even thought about. Let's get into it. Okay, most people think of Chatgpt as just like a chatbot. You just type stuff into it and it spits out answers and that's the end of it. But it's way more than that. And one of the things I'm going to talk about today is how to use it as a personal assistant. Basically, it's talking to Chatgpt rather than typing things in. And the reason why that's such a great idea is because when we type stuff in, we're thinking about what we're typing. We're thinking about spelling mistakes. We're thinking, does that make sense? You're thinking about the actual typing rather than what you're trying to get out of your head. But when you're talking to someone, if you're talking to an assistant or talking to someone you're brainstorming an idea with, you can just talk naturally about what you're trying to get out, and then you bounce back and forth to each other. And you can use Chatgpt like this. Think of Chatgpt as a personal assistant. A brainstorming partner, maybe a business partner or someone you want to bounce ideas back and forward until you come out with the perfect solution to whatever you're using Chatgpt for. And it's really, really easy to do. So we're just going to go over to Chatgpt now and I'll show you how to talk to it in such a way that you can get more out of it so you can build on your own ideas without having to waste all hours or all this time, wasted time typing in. And the beauty of doing this is you can put in, when you talk to it, you can leave in the ums and the ahs, you can change tack, you can change your thought process. You can literally talk as if you were talking to someone. Chatgpt will record it all down, interpret it, and then you can use it to just get the best ideas out. Let's go over to ChatGPT now and I'll show you what I mean. Right, I'm going to put my glasses on for this. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT and we'll just start off with a new chat. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to give it some private. Let's say we're thinking about creating a digital product. The first thing we do, we're going to go to this little the microphone item here, and rather than type, we're going to just type something really basic in. Don't worry about prompts at this stage. We're just going to record what we're going to talk naturally about. We want to get a rough idea about what we want information about. At this stage, we can make it really vague because ChatGPT is going to help us get all the information out that we need. So we're going to hit the record button. Oh, and I'm going to allow the microphone to use it this time. Okay. Can you give me some ideas about digital products? I'm brand new. I don't know anything about them, but I want to start creating digital products online. And we click the little tick box here. And ChatGPT, you give it a moment and it will type the prompt out for you. And you just click the little arrow button and that is now going to enter it into ChatGPT for you. And this is what it comes out with. Let's keep this in. So it's telling me now, it comes up with what to do. Here's a breakdown. It'll help you understand what kinds of things there are and which might help first as a beginner. So it's giving us an overview of all kinds of things that are available to sell. But we obviously want more information than this. This is not niched enough. So we can record something else. Okay, ChatGPT, this is great, but I want to aim my digital product at a target market of someone whose age over 40, is new to the world of online marketing, doesn't really know where to start. Can you suggest anything for me or where I should go from here? And again, a couple of moments later, it'll type it in and let it go. Perfect, that's a smart audience to focus on. And it just gives you, being an online creator. And this is the sort of thing it comes up with. Obviously, all the information here, you can refine it. Okay, let's go a bit deeper. Okay, this is great, but what am I missing? Everyone talks about all the gurus talk about having the perfect prompt, if you like, to get the most information. I obviously don't know how to do that at this stage. Can you guide me and help me decide what is the best digital product to produce for my target audience? Can you give me some ideas on where I should go from here? And we tick it up and it will come up with, it gives us a little example and post it in and let's see what it comes up with. Fantastic question. Honestly, it shows you're thinking the right way. Because the truth is, you don't need the perfect prompt right now. And this is what it's doing. We're having a conversation back and forth. And so now I can say, okay, give me ideas. Instead of saying, give me ideas, try saying, I want to create digital products for people over 40 and, to online business. They often feel overwhelmed by technology. Can you suggest 10 simple, right, let's do that. Let's see what it suggests. And we press record. I want to create a digital product for people over 40 who are new to online business. They often feel overwhelmed by technology. Can you suggest 10 simple prompt ideas that would help, some simple product ideas that would help them take them from their first steps confidently? Okay, so we'll just see what it comes up with. And we type it in and click. There we go. Let's see what it is. Perfect. That's exactly the right mindset. Your first 7, and there we are. And it's spitting out. So basically, we're refining and refining. And you can take this down and say, all the experts in the field always say to make money online, you'd have to niche down. The further you go into a niche, the more specific you are, the better it'll be. Can you give me ideas how to niche down in this subject? And off it goes. Let's see what it comes up with. Absolutely, that's a brilliant question. You're 100% right. Smaller. For what niche down really means. What good is niche down? And again, it's just giving you the information. And you can ask it. You can go back to it each time. Ask to refine various elements of what it spits out. And by going back and forth, you can end up with something that is so unique and so powerful and so valuable to the audience just by just going deeper and deeper and deeper and recording it. And it saves so much time, effort and energy rather than having to think about what you're just typing. You just talk on the fly. Notice I had the ums and the ahs in there. I even thought, such and such, I coughed. And it still doesn't take any notice of that. It adjusts accordingly. And that's the beauty of it. Let's go one stage further. Let's say, okay, this is brilliant. What am I missing? I need everything. Need to know every part of this so that I'm getting all the details and I can go as far down into this niche as I really need. What am I missing? What are the pain points people want? What can I offer that makes my services or whatever I'm trying to do different from everybody else? Waffling a bit there, obviously. But it doesn't matter. Chatgpt will interpret it. Let's see what it says. I can't tell you, it's just brilliant. It's so easy to do, and it is really a game changer when you start using Chatgpt like this. It's even said here, look, you're not waffling at all. You ask exactly the right questions. This is where most people stop too early. And it's talking to me. It's like having your own conversation. And this was what makes it so exciting. Okay, well, you're not selling digital products by selling confidence, clarity, and control. Okay, let's give you another quick example just to show you that. Let's say to ChatGPT, give me an overview of what copywriting means to beginners. What do we really mean by copywriting, and how would I, as a complete beginner, write a successful sales letter for my product that I'm intending to offer? Let's see what it comes up with. It's going to write out my prompt, and let's see what it comes up with. Perfect. Exactly the kind of question new digital products should be asking. That's great. What copywriting actually means. Copywriting is about law. It's about writing words that sell. And again, see, the goal of copyright. It explains it. So you can use this to actually write a complete sales letter. And ChatGPT it's been programmed effectively. It's learned from the best copywriters in the world. You won't be able to write copy as well as ChatGPT, especially as a beginner, as if you prompt it in this way and have a conversation with it. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it spits out the perfect sales copy every time or the perfect product every time. But the beauty of it, it gives you a really, really good skeleton or a structure, if you like, to work from, and then put your own ideas and little slants into it as you go. It's just so powerful to do it. This is what I mean by using ChatGPT on a different level. Typing is all very well, but it takes away your train of thought. If you actually talk on the fly and you talk all the things in your head, the stutters, the mistakes and everything, as if you were literally just talking with your PA or even a friend, just someone you're chatting with. You can use ChatGPT in this way, and it makes such a huge difference to your productivity, what you want to get out, how you deal with problems, things you want to solve, products you want to create, scripts you want to write. Everything can be done using this, and it really is a game changer. I strongly recommend you start learning how to record your prompts, and then let ChatGPT help you tease the best out of you to get the best outcome from what you're trying to get from ChatGPT. And by recording it, it makes that process that much easier. Okay, there we are. So to summarize, there's 4 steps. Start simple. Don't overthink it. Just start with something really, really vague, and then let ChatGPT tease it out and get the most from it out from there. Then, number 2, you follow up. Ask clarifying questions, request changes. Number 3, iterate. ChatGPT learns from the context of the conversation, so use it to help it learn what's good for you. And finally, number 4, relax. Treat it like a human. Ask it questions. Put in the herbs. Don't think on the fly. Don't worry about trying to think in terms of it being machine. Just think purely on a human level, just as if you're having a chat with a trusted person that you're trying to bash some ideas out with. And from that, you can get amazing results with this feature of ChatGPT. Highly recommend it. Okay, so there we are. So I hope you got something out of this. Short and sweet video, but really and truly, this is one of the most powerful ways you can do so many things in your life. AI is here to stay. Whether, obviously, a lot of people are frightened of it, but to be quite frank with you, if it's used properly, it can enhance your life in so many ways you're not even aware of yet. And yes, there are issues with it, but I still think now is the time to embrace it. And ChatGPT is the most well-known to use. There's obviously Claude AI. There's lots of other AI platforms out to use nowadays, but use ChatGPT like this and you'll be amazed at what it comes up with. Okay, I'm going to wrap up now. As I said, I hope you got something out of it. If you did, as always, please like and subscribe to the video. Liking, in fact, comment if you can, if you disagree with me or whatever. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you used ChatGPT yourself in ways like this? Do you know about the record button? Let me know your thoughts on it. Now, finally, just before I wrap up, if you're new to the creative space and you want to start creating products to give away or sell online, but you don't know where to start, I've got a little template that I put together which helps you create ideas, or it's a template you can use. I call it the AI Digital Product Idea Generator, which you can fill it in basically, and then copy and paste the whole thing into ChatGPT, and it'll come out with digital product ideas that you can create for yourself. If you decide you want this template, the good thing is you can actually use it in the way I've told you today by recording your answers. Literally just go through, look at the questions, answer just by talking into ChatGPT, answer all of them, and then it will give you the same result. If you want the template, just I'll put the link in the description below, and you can feel free to get hold of it. On that note, time to wrap up here. If you want some more information on how to make sure that your digital product ideas will sell before you even create them, which is what all the gurus will tell you to do, check out this video here. I don't know where it comes up, but check out that video and I'll go through all that with you. On that note, see ya.